Sunday, guys. Happy Sunday. How are you guys doing now? Come on. This boy, you're stressing me. You and this your phone. What connection is that? This boy and I. Today is Sunday after the Saturday night party in Big Brother's house. Eh? I wash in the Big Brother house. We did party with them. This boy and I. If it's not working again. It has finished. The internet has finished. When you watch from morning to night, you don't know it is to finish. It's Monday day, so you can do it. We stayed up until 3 a.m. yesterday before we slept, and we were just waking up, and it's 11. And that's why this boy, it's not him, it's not his fault. They made me not to go to church today, even to join online service. I didn't join. My husband even had to come and wake me to join service, but he's sleeping. I wanted to see the after party drama, and I saw, and I really had a blast. Uriel, I don't know, I just felt embarrassed. She was kissing Neo, and then she just looked like she was horny and needed somebody to kiss. She also tried to kiss Berry. I don't know if that body is, but the company was just too much.
Very, very smart being.
Almost. So, anyways, I'm up this morning. Both of us are up. This one was just playing around because I was not sleeping. He thought time had not gone. I mean, it was not no time. His father was already fast asleep and snoring. But right now, I want to make like pasta for us to eat this morning. I could have made suya pasta, but I finished the suya that my husband bought yesterday because I was using it to entertain myself while watching Big Brother. Obviously, you guys may be hearing noise. It's Big Brother. Oh, let me reduce it a bit. My videos just be noisy. Nigeria house. Hit your remote. It's not working. No, you guys should hear. Anyways, I'm about to get into the kitchen now where it's just going to be you guys are my pots and no noise. So I'll show you guys what I get doing. I'll definitely show you guys the aftermath because I don't have strength for angles. Right. Out here and I'm about to cook pasta. So let's get busy. Basically. Guys, so I just kept the spaghetti on the fire now, and I want to continue because I was actually editing some vlogs before I decided to make breakfast for us this morning. So I want to, is this breakfast or brunch? I think it's brunch. So I want to carry on now with the editing. I'll go to the sitting room now and just be watching Big Brother while editing what I'm supposed to edit. You guys bear with me. I decided to finally buy a mic because it feels like some persons don't used to hear me out properly. So I decided I'm going to buy a mic. I've actually placed an order for it and it's coming sometime this week. So hopefully within this week, throughout this week and after today, or rather when it comes, I'll definitely show you guys, but just so that my audio is about to skyrocket to the next level. So that's the gist. I'll see you guys when I'm serving the meal. Initially I told you I was not going to take you along, but it's something quick, something fast for breakfast. Not like we don't have food, but my husband just said he wants to eat this, and I just remember that we have like beef, like 3 pieces of beef in the freezer. Honestly, my house is kind of empty. I'll be going to the market maybe sometime this week. I don't know. Yeah, it has to be sometime this week to restock on everything, groceries, provisions, and the rest. So I'll definitely take you guys as always. So let me go and continue editing vlogs to post for you people. So at this point, you can see my effort. Please like this video, subscribe down below, share this video, comment, let me know anything that's on your mind that you want to say. You're sure you know that you want to share. What is this peeping tom that you want to say? And I'll see you guys later. All right. This light is bright, you guys. You can literally make a video right now and everywhere is white, guys. You can, there's no light, you just took the light and I just turned on the lights that I got, you guys. It has battery. I told you can use battery, you can use directly from electric. I used the battery and I put it on. It is bright. See there, see there. Currently it wants to rain. Everywhere is dark. I was supposed to go to grandpa to buy fish. I feel like eating fish, but I now said instead of wasting that money to go and buy fish, to use the money and grill fish at home and have change. But then again, you know, the one is always standard with chips. Goes land the rest. I just tired. Just felt like eating fish. I don't think this angle is. We're coming close to the light. It's not bright. I think the trick is you have to stay far from the light. See, have to stay far from the light. Hi guys, everywhere is so bright, so I gotta close my eyes a little.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, of every single moment. You were there by my side. Whenever I'm broken, you make me feel whole. Whenever I'm lonely, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my home. Whenever you...
Hey guys, hi. I just got a package from Konga. It's a microphone. Yay! It's a microphone. So our videos are about, the audios of our videos is about to skyrocket. Hope you guys are ready for me, because no more screaming and no more anytime I talk little, you guys are going to hear, because I'm going to be using the microphone. Let's just go and unbox and set it up. All right, so this is the product, and let's quickly open it now. It's like, it's a Bluetooth mic.
Oh girl, I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm and take me as I am. Baby, it's magic anytime that we're together. I make I just love you and hold you for my hand. Hold you for my hand.
Hi guys, hello. What it looks like. Right, it is gone.